once your design is converted into a physical layout and it meets your timing, the most important thing again is to make sure that it meets your foundry guidelines. So one, it needs to meet the design rules. So every foundry will provide these rules for a particular process. For example, if it's a TSMC 28 nanometer, the foundry will tell you what is the minimum width of the metals you need to use, width of the spacing between the metals, and how big your vias need to be, interconnects between the metals. So it's a very complex. There will be very complex design rules, and there are tools out there that will take your layout and run these checks and tells you whether it meets the requirement or not.